Hey Plenty friends, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing some pretty uncommon Scindapsus that I'm super duper excited. These were on my wish list and I ended up buying them on Etsy. So yeah, I'm super duper excited, and we are still having our Cebu Blues giveaway. All you gotta do to enter, which by the way is only for the US, all you gotta do to enter is give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Already leave a comment down below which is your favorite holiday and why. Okay, I'm super duper excited. Okay, I have my little knife. Any chance to show my address? I ended up ordering 2 Scindapsus, and I guess I can tell you guys, it's a silver splash, I believe, and the other one is called a silvery and okay, this is how it looks. Let's take off this papel. I'm also learning how she ended up packaging it, so she ended up doing this. Oh my god. Oh my god, y'all see that? Wait, thumbnail time. I already took a thumbnail, but I feel like this is a better thumbnail. Okay. Oh my god. I already know which one is which because I saw the pictures. The bigger one should be the silver splash. And from what I saw, it was on a hanging basket. But I'm not sure if she shipped it out on, wait. Okay, so we have this one. I think that's how it goes. And then we have this other one. Ooh, let's see. Tape down. I literally had them upside down. Okay, the packaging is really good, by the way. I'm guessing, yeah, this is from the hanging basket from what I was talking about, from the silver splash, I believe. But, okay, so I just want to see the silver splash. So here it is. It's wrapped in this blue plastic, and ooh. Okay. Ooh, okay. Take off this air bubble thing, and then we have this, which some soil is falling off, which is perfectly normal. It is really moist though, but Scindapsus do like to stay moist. So here it is on some papel, like it's like a tissue paper. Oh my god, I see it already. Okay, this tape though, like. Oh my god. Guys. Oh my god. So plant looks pretty good. Yeah, this is a silver splash. Oh my god, it is so pretty. The leaves are really I'm gonna go rinse them off, clean off the leaves. Everything looks amazing. Oh, and there's some also of that pillow stuffing so the soil doesn't go everywhere. So I'm just going to take off that. I'm literally obsessed. Like, it's so beautiful. You can also select the roots. It's pretty. There is one, but it's an old leaf, so that's nothing. Oh my god, it's beautiful. You guys, like, isn't that so gorgeous? I don't know what it is, but it makes me so happy. Like, oh my god. Now I know I'm not a pro with Scindapsus. Gosh, that is beautiful. But I do have one still alive, and I think I got the hang of it, which I'm making a mess. Which they just like to stay moist. They don't like to drop for way too long, and they love a lot of light. So I'm honestly gonna place it on my girl light, so I'm not gonna put on this to hang it, but oh my god, it's so cute. It's so cute, it's so cute. It's good. This leaf though, it's like I can stare at it for hours. It's beautiful. Okay, I literally forgot how the other one looks. Oh, okay, now I remember. Okay, so here it is. Here's the other one. Just slide it out. No. Okay. Packaging was really good. Be as delicate as I can. Okay. Oof. Oh, I want you guys to see. I'm just like tearing the. It's like. It doesn't. Oh my gosh. beautiful. It's just so pretty. Oh my god, I love it. Oh my god. Oh, just want to take off a little bit. It's like Christmas. Oh my god, you guys. Y'all see that? It's so pretty. And I'm guessing the more light you give it, the more it does like that smear, which I love it. Like, this is why I love this Scindapsus. I just love like how the leaves look. I would love to propagate this, but I don't know how yet. And I wonder if it's like philodendrons and pothos that whenever, which I feel like all vine plants are like that, whenever you chop it or give it a haircut, it just pushes out more growth on top, which like if it's bold, which happens over time, the way to fix it is propagating your plant or just cutting some vines, lower vines from your philodendrons or pothos. Philodendrons are a lot faster compared to pothos, but giving them a haircut, it flushes out new growth on top and it gives it more of a fuller look, which is what I love. And I hope this can happen on the same thing with these beautiful Scindapsus. I want to give them more light because like if you look at this leaf, it's like muy verde, really green. But I'm pretty sure the more light you give it, the more of that beautiful foliage. Oh my god, you guys, it's just so... I'm gonna give you guys some better close-ups, but I am so in love with my purchase. It's so good. The packaging was literally amazing. Everything was great. The Scindapsus are just so beautiful. I'm gonna rinse them off and I'm gonna go place them in some grow lights and watch them grow. So let me go put up the camera. Hey guys, so here is the Silver Splash. It's so pretty. I forgot how much I paid, but for both of them, they were like 70, and I think that's a pretty good deal. Judging by the size and just how they are, they look very healthy and very beautiful. Super duper excited to like extend my Scindapsus collection. There's some other ones that I have my eye out, but I first want to master these two, and then oh my god, that is just so beautiful. Look at that. If I can give these girlies alive and watching them thrive and successfully propagate them, I would love to get the other ones from my wish list. But wow. Very beautiful. You see some good roots. It's gorgeous, like, my god. I really want to place it outside, but I know I shouldn't because it's gonna dry out really, really fast being outdoors, and the sun can be a little bit way too much. Obviously, I'm not gonna place it in direct sunlight, no, but in a spot where it gets really bright in direct light, which it could thrive, but I don't know. Like, I love placing my plants outside, but I learned my lesson, and if you do place it outside, you're risking on getting pests. And right now, the pests that I have right now, I'm keeping them at bay. They're starting to go away, but Lord, was it a lot to like treat them. So I don't know. Even though the plants thrived outside and grew so much, I don't know if it was worth it. Going through all that like pest problems. Beautiful Scindapsus. Here it is. It's on a 4-inch pot, by the way. Beautiful. Oh my god. Wait, I want to see it like in the light. I want to see how it looks. So pretty. And then this other one. I don't know if I said it before, but the reason why I'm not filming in the plant room is because it's really humid right there. But I am gonna place these right there. Giving them some good light. Let's get the other one. I'll clean this up after this video. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. Look at that leaf. Okay. Yay. Here's the other Scindapsus. This is like a very common one from the big box stores, but I've had it for a while. Very beautiful. Oof. Such a beautiful plants. But yes, you guys, ooh, I'm getting some light over here from that window. Of course, I mean, like the sun is changing. We're like in fall now. That's perfect. That's amazing. Here's Valentina. Yes, baby. Wow. I'm super happy. Oh my god. And then, yeah, aquí están las girlies. This is where I placed all of my babies. We have the ones that Goulet Greenhouse gave us. And then from this did had a problem. It has spider mites, you guys. It was crazy. It just happened within days. But I already cleaned it and I haven't seen none anymore, which makes me super duper happy. And it's starting to put out a brand new leaf. And where's the other ones? Here's the other one from Arid Market, doing super good. Putting out some new leaves. There's like some cat hair. Valentina. The Monstera Peru. And then more of the plants from Goulet Greenhouse. That new leaf right there popping up. And the variegated heartleaf philodendron. Putting out 2 new leaves. Cannot wait and see how they turn out. But yes, you guys, that is basically it. Thank you so much for joining me to this new video. Sending positive to each and every single one of y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.